70. Design and verification of truth table of full adder using IC 7483. Earlier we have covered the design and verification of truth table of half adder. Now we will cover with the full adder, and IC number is same 7483. Difference between these two, half adder and full adder. In half adder, there are two inputs, and in full adder there are three inputs. So this is the difference. Output will remain same. Output will be sum and carry. Here you will see that A, B, C is the three inputs. Output is sum and carry. Now it's circuit diagram. This is the circuit diagram of full adder circuit. Here you will check that these are the three inputs. And these are the two outputs, sum and carry. Sum and carry are the two outputs. We have to verify the truth table. So here is the truth table. Three inputs. 3 input means 2 raised to power 3 is 8. It stands for 0 to 7. So here you have to write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And here you have to apply the weights 1, 2, 4. According to these weights, you have to sign the values. 0 means all zeros. 1 means there is a 1 under this 1. 2 under 2 there is a 1. 3, 2 plus 1. So under 2 and 1 there is a 1, 1. In the similar way you can fill this values. Now we have to check its result. 0 plus 0. 0 plus 0, that is 0. So sum 0 carry 0. 0 plus 0, this is 0 plus 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 1, that is 1. So here you will find sum 1 carry 0. Next again 0 plus 1, this is 1. 1 plus 0, that is again 1. Sum 1 carry 0. Next is 0, 0 plus 1. 0 plus 1, that is equals to 1. Next is 1. 1 plus 1, that is 0 with carry 1. 0 with carry 1. Here you will see in the truth table there is a 0 at the sum place and 1 at the carry. Further 1 plus 0, 1 plus 0 that is 1, 1 plus 0 that is 1, here you will check, this is 1. Next 1 plus 0 that is 1, 1 plus 1 that is 1 plus 1, that is again 0 with carry 1, 0 with carry 1, you will find that this is 0 with carry 1, again 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 0 with carry 1, last one is a 1 1 1, if I add these two 1 1 that will be 0, there would be a 1 carry, 0 plus 1 that is equals to 1. So here you will get 1 with carry 1. Here you will get 1 with carry 1. You can see the entry under this sum and C out in the truth table, that is sum is 1, carry is 1. So again I told, we have already done that 7483, that is a dual inline package IC which composed of 16 pins. Here inputs A, B, C is applied. A is applied at pin number 9, B is applied at pin number 10 and C is applied at pin number 13. 12 is connected to minus VCC and 5 is connected to plus VCC. As far the output is concerned, we have to take the two outputs, that is sum and carry. Sum you will get across the pin number 9 and carry you will get across the pin number 6. So this we will discuss it on the breadboard also. So here students you will find that this is the IC 7483. This is the IC 7483. As I have told you that there is then three inputs. You will find that 1, 2, 3, three inputs. So input is named as F, G, H. A stands for F, B stands for G, H stands for C. So output is taken across two terminals. That is output is at that pin number 9. You will find that output is at, this is the pin number 9, this is for sum, and pin number 6, this is for carry, and plus VCC is applied at the pin number 12 and pin number 5, and minus VCC is applied at the pin number 12. So in this way we can complete the circuit. No, we have to verify that how the truth table is verified. See, we will on this. Towards left side, this side it indicates 0, and towards right side it indicates 1. So at this time you will find that F, G, H means A, B, C. All are 0. I have alone. So here you will see that kit is on, digital breadboard trainer is on. There is no output. Sum is 0, carry is 0. Sum is 0, carry is 0. Let us say C is 1. So you will find sum is 1, carry is 0. Sum is 1, carry is 0. Now let us say B is 1. You will again find that sum is 1, carry is 0. Now let us say A is 0, B and C both are 1. B and C both are 1. So 1 plus 1 is 0. I have already explained it on the board. So you will find that sum is 0, carry is 1. Further, if you have to make A1, this is A1. So B0, C0. 1 plus 0, again sum is 1, carry is 0. Now A1, B0, this is A1, B0 and C1. So again 1 plus 1 is 0 with carry 1. So you will find that the sum is 0, carry is 1. Further we will go for A1, A1, B1 and C0. A1, B1 and C0. In this way, if you will go for the similar way, if you will make A1, so here this side is A1, B1, C1. So A1, B1, C1 means sum is 1, carry is 1, because 1 plus 1 is 0, again added with input C, that is 0 plus 1 is 1, that's why sum is 1, carry is 1. So in this way we can understand the verification of the truth table of full adder. I believe, dear students, you have understood the concept of full adder. That I have, its theoretical part I have shown you on the board and practical on this digital breadboard trainer. So for any sort of query, feel free to call me or message me anytime. Thank you, dear students. Thank you.